Did you think your technical aptitude and sectoral knowledge were all that counted to make a career in engineering field? Then it is time to change your career priorities and standards, since soft skills are not only trending but the need of the hour today for all engineering students in a competitive job market. Engineering is one of the fastest rising and most stimulating fields today, presenting college graduates noteworthy earning potential, job security, and personal satisfaction. There are numerous branches of engineering studies, each with discrete technical skill sets. Within a given field, credentials and opportunities may vary meaningfully. However, soft skills or social skills will less vary from one engineering field to another. Hello everyone, my name is Dipti Deepak. I'm founder, director and personal excellence coach at Nirmiti Academy, and today we will list down 2 essential soft skills that every engineering student must have. First, leadership skills. An engineer with leadership aptitude to motivate and uplift large teams is a preferred virtue by any hiring manager today. Delegating responsibilities, handling teams, and coordinating for multifaceted projects are going to be on top of your everyday to-do list. To become a respected leader thus suggests that you need to master as many soft skills as leadership role necessitates. Second, presentation skills. It's unavoidable at some point of time in your career that you need to present an engineering idea or concept to a completely non-technical crowd. If your audience is not going to understand and appreciate your presentation, they may infer that you really do not know anything about the subject. It is reasonable to conclude that good presentation skills will lead you to career progression, whereas bad presentation skills will really hold you back. So friends, these 2 soft skills for engineering students can really serve as an inordinate preparatory checkpoint for anyone looking to refine their leadership abilities. Though it can be really exciting to mold our personalities and working demeanor in ways that we might not be used to, taking these tips to practice and honing your skills will really alter your career landscape. For more such inspiring and useful tips, do subscribe us on our YouTube channel today. Take a virtual tour of our online personality development programs for students on our website www.nirmitiacademy.com as well. Take care of yourself and have a great day.